Welcome to Blue Coat's Training Knowledge Asset series. This knowledge asset shows you how to configure the Blue Coat Auth connector for single sign-on user authentication. On the top right corner, click Services. And now let's navigate to the Authentication tab. This is where we are going to add Auth connector. Click Add Auth connector button. You're going to add the name for your Auth connector. For this training, I'm going to call it cloud_training. I'm going to add a password. And in the comment field, I'm going to enter that this is our primary Auth connector. Before you click Save, remember to copy and paste the unique Auth connector name below. This starts with 2797 here. Now that Auth connector has been added to the customer portal, the next thing to do is to download the client. Let's save it locally. Click Open in Folder. Right-click it. Select Run as Administrator. The installation wizard starts. Here, you're going to enter your username and password. Click Next. This is where you enter your unique customer portal username and the Auth connector password. Click Next. Accept the defaults and click Next. Accept the defaults and click Next again. Click Install and click Finish. Now we're going to go back to the customer portal. We're going to enable Captive Portal. Next, we're going to add an email domain. Click Add Domain. Enter your domain name and click the Add button. This domain now is listed on the bottom. The next thing we're going to do is synchronize with Active Directory. Click the Synchronize with Active Directory button. Since the Auth connector is still showing a status of disconnected, we're going to update its status by clicking Edit. We're going to not to make any changes. We're just going to save it. It refreshes the status, and the status is now connected. And now you have completed adding Auth connector. To watch additional Blue Coat training videos, go to YouTube, select Browse Channels, enter Blue Coat, and just select the Blue Coat channel. For more in-depth computer-based training videos, go to bluecoat.com and select Support. Click on the Blue Touch Online link. In the Blue Touch Online portal, navigate down to the Training and Forums section. Click Training. Here you'll find training services for additional webcasts, virtual classrooms, certifications, and computer-based training. Just click the link.
Welcome to Blue Coat Computer-Based Training.
Now let's navigate back to the forums. On Blue Touch Online, you can have forums. You can also access the training videos here. Find the video you want. This one is a computer-based training on mobile device security. I'm going to click it. It provides a overview of this video. At the very bottom, click it to launch it. Welcome to Blue Coat's computer-based training. Thank you for watching. This concludes the training knowledge asset on cloud service web security services. For additional questions or comments regarding this course, contact us at training.books@bluecoat.com.